Okay, in this video I'm going to cover how to do the chain loops inside the tube. I've already done it on this side here, and I want to do it on the other side of the chassis. And so the first thing I recommend doing is select the two top gussets and the side tube. You can do that with Control left click, and then hide it. You can right click and then go visibility, and that gives us a view of what we have here. The next is we're going to create two planes, one in each of the center of each one of these sprockets. And so I'm going to measure the width of the sprocket, measure from here to here. M is the shortcut to measure. Notice that it is 95 thousandths, and so we want to go half that distance to make sure that we're right in the center when we create the plane. To create a plane in the middle, we're just going to click here on the work plane, click here and drag a little bit, and it gives you a number that we can type. We want to go 95 thousandths divided by 2. But notice how the arrow is to the right and we want to go to the left, and so I'm going to go negative 0.095 divided by 2. And that creates a work plane in the middle of the sprocket. You can see that there. We're going to do that for the other one. So click plane, click the space, drag a little bit, and then negative 0.095 divided by 2. So now that we have the two planes, we're basically going to have one chain loop go from the middle to the front and another chain loop going from the middle to the back. So to do this, we're going to go to Design, and then here under V-belts, we're going to go on the drop down and go drop down and click Roller Chains. And this opens the Design Accelerator. The roller chain that we want to use is a number 25 pitch, and we're going to need to click here to get access to that. We're going to do a single width of number 25 chain. So we're going to go here. Then the next step is we need to select the mid plane of the actual sprocket. So I'm just going to click here, and then I can click the actual plane. And then it starts wanting to build this sprocket, and it already has some pre-designed sizes. We need to change those sizes, and so we can double click here and change the teeth to 17. These are 17 tooth sprockets, and I'm going to click this one here and go 17 and go OK. Once that is done, we basically are going to create virtual sprockets because we don't need to model the sprockets, they're already modeled, and we're going to change each of these to fixed geometries or fixed position by selected geometry. Then you can just select the position of each sprocket, and all you need to do is select a circular axis where the sprocket lies on, and then we do that for the other one. Once that is done, we can hit OK and hit OK here. We will get a little error because we don't have tensioners, but that's no problem. We can go accept, and then it will model the chain for us. You'll do the same thing for the other chain loop between here and here. And that is it.